Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI, and I'm going to introduce you to one of my son's best friends, Flappy the Elephant. This is made by GUND, and we love everything that they have. It's awesome. I love this guy so much because he has two different play modes, so my son loves pushing both of his feet to get him to do different things. One side is the sing mode, and one side is the play. Here's sing.
Hello, baby. Let's sing together. Do your ears hang low? Do they wobble to and fro?
And then there's play mode.
Hello, baby. Peekaboo is the most fun with you. Where'd you go? Peekaboo, I found you.
I love that this keeps my son occupied when I'm trying to get things done and how excited he gets to play with it. But that's just my point of view.